We're going to see what the R36 Omniants look like on my S4. They're 18 by 8 plus 44. These are some, cheers for the beer, these are some 19 by 8 plus 39. The tyres that are on these 19s are 245, what are they, 245 35s? And my 18s are just the standard R36 size, which I believe are 235 35 18s. So we'll see how they fit. I've got some spacers, I've got some 15mm bolt-ons and some 20mm bolt-on spacers as well, if the caliper concerns me. We're just going to give them a test fit. I actually think they'll really suit the car. The wheel design of the Omniant actually looks like a common aftermarket wheel that can be purchased in the States. I haven't seen any out here in Australia, but yeah, they look really good. I forget what they're called, but everyone seems to run them. So yeah, we'll see what they look like. So they just hit on the caliper, but we're very close, very, very close to fitting. So what I might do is just put a spacer on, and Ava's trying to put the other covers on there. We'll try and put one of the other spacers on and see what happens. Whilst I'm playing around with wheels on the S4, I thought I would give each of them away. Now, not give them away, but weigh them. So the R36 wheels I have already weighed before, but for record's sake, we will do that again. Alright. So we have the R36 wheel weighing in at 25.5 kilograms. That comes with a 235/40. It's a Goodyear, if that matters. Obviously different tyres might have different weights, so keep that in mind. But that is a R36 Passat, so that's an 18 by 8 plus 44. Different to the Tiguan, different to the Golf. Let's go with the standard Audi S4 Avis, Ronald Avis wheel. Next. Okay, we're zeroing it out again. Okay, we have 22.0 on the dot. Sorry, the camera doesn't really focus on that. For the 17 by 7.5 plus 45, as you can see there, OEM S4 wheel, and this has a Pirelli with a 235/45/17. Now it should be noted this isn't the factory size. I believe the factory size is a 225, but that's just what I've got here, so that's what I weighed. God, you can barely put those wheels, you can't even really stand them up, they just want to tip over, they're so heavy on the face, which I suppose is due to the design, so you can clear these gigantic calipers that are in the S4 from factory. But last but not least, we will weigh these 19-inch Q5 wheels. Zero him out again. I'm actually thinking these are going to be the lightest. Oh no, not really. 24.1 kilograms. So they are lighter than the R36, but heavier than the standard S4. So these are a 19/8 plus 39. And this has a 245/35 tyre on it. Of course you wouldn't put a Q5 tyre and rim on something like this, it just wouldn't fit. So we've got these little rubber bands instead.